Welcome to your go-to guide for transforming your balcony into a serene sanctuary you will never want to leave. Whether you are living in a bustling sitting apartment or a cozy suburban home, your balcony holds the potential to become your favorite spot to unwind, sip your morning coffee, or host intimate gathering with friends. In this video, we are deep diving into the world of balcony decor, exploring a budget-friendly ideas and creative solutions to make the most of your home outdoor space. Have you ever looked out at your balcony and wondered how to make it feel more inviting and cozy? Well, you are in the right place. Throughout this video, we will be sharing practical tips and inspiring design ideas to help you transform even the tiniest balcony into a stylish retreat that reflects your personal style. From choosing the perfect furniture to adding a lush greenery and mood enhancing lighting, we have got you covered every step of the way. So sit back, relax, and let's turn your balcony dreams into reality. Now let's move on. Assess your space. Before diving into decorating, take a good look at your balcony, measure its dimension, and note any architectural features like railings or pillars. Consider how much sunlight the area gets through the day and any potential obstacles like neighboring buildings or trees. This assessment will help you make informed decisions about furniture placement and plant selection, ensuring that your balcony decor is both practical and visually appealing. Choosing functional furniture. When it comes to furnishing your balcony, prioritizing functionality, opt for lightweight and breath resistant pieces that can withstand outdoor conditions. Look for affordable or stackable furniture to maximize space when it's not in use, and consider multifunctional pieces like a storage bench or a side table with built-in storage. Remember to keep in scale in mind. Choose furniture that fits comfortably with the confines of your balcony without overcrowding the space. Create ambience with lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood on your balcony. Consider adding string lights, lanterns, or LED candles to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Solar powered lights are a great eco-friendly option, providing soft illumination without the need for electric wiring. Experiment with different lighting arrangements to find the perfect balance between functionality and ambience, ensuring that your balcony is equally enchanting during the day and night. Add greenery for life. Incorporating plants into your balcony decor not only add beauty but also bring life to the space. Choose a mix of potted plants, hanging baskets, and vertical gardens to maximize greenery without taking up precious floor space. Select plants that thrive in your local climate and consider factors like sunlight exposures and watering requirements. If space is limited, opt for compact varieties like succulents, herbs, or training vines that can thrive in small containers or vertical planters. Personalized with accessories. Accessories are the finest touches that can elevate your balcony decor from ordinary to extraordinary. Add cozy throw pillow and outdoor rugs to create a comfortable sitting area, and incorporate decorative accents like lanterns, cushions, and artwork to infuse your personality into the space. Get creative with DIY projects like painted planters or handmade wind chimes to add a personal touch while staying within budget. Remember to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics, ensuring that every accessory serves a purpose while enhancing the overall look and feel of your balcony. Next, maintain and refresh regularly. To keep your balcony looking its best, establish a regular maintenance routine. Sweep or vacuum the floor regularly to remove dirt and debris, and wipe down furniture and surfaces with a damp cloth to prevent dust buildup. Water plants as needed and prune them to promote healthy growth. Additionally, consider refreshing your balcony decor with seasonal updates to keep the space feeling fresh and inviting throughout the year. Whether it's sweeping dead cushions and accessories or introducing new plants or decor elements, a little change can go a long way in revitalizing your outdoor oasis.